Yo kids, listen to Shark Sam, let's dive in deep. Water safety tips, they're yours to keep. Never swim alone, always bring a friend. Stay where it's safe, from start to end. Check the weather, know the scene. Rip currents strong, waters can be mean. If you're in trouble, don't be shy. Wait for help, let the lifeguards try. 1, 2, 3, swim safe with me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on the sea. 1, 2, 3, water safety's key. Stay cool, stay safe, that's how we be. In the pool, don't run, don't dive in the shallow. Play cool, be safe and follow. Learn to float, know how to swim in the deep end. Don't just jump in. Wear your vest if you're on a boat. Keeps you safe, keeps you afloat. Don't push or dunk, it's not a game. Respect the water and do the same. 1, 2, 3, swim safe with me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on the sea. 1, 2, 3, water safety's key. Stay cool, stay safe, that's how we be. In the ocean, lakes, or even streams, be aware, know what it means. Stay near the shore where it's safe and sound. Currents can pull, don't mess around. Hydrate well, stay cool in the sun. Wear your sunscreen till the day is done. Stay safe, have fun everyone. Water safety's rule number 1. 1, 2, 3, swim safe